I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I do have.
Yeah.
I used to have, but she ditched me.
So, does it bother you that your boy is virgin or not?
No, it not really bothers.
It doesn't bother me whether she's a virgin or not.
It matters a lot. It's still not common in India, I feel. So yeah, it does matter.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना, 36 आएंगी 36 जाएंगी, मेरी वाली मेरी माँ बाप लाएंगी.
No, not really. No, it doesn't bother me.
सी दैट इज़ नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट. वो अगर नहीं है वर्जिन तो उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर वो वर्जिन है तो इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ओवर हियर.
It's a freedom that all human beings have got, and it's a choice. It depends on them.
Yes, it does bothers me. No, not really.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता है इतना.
I have even never asked her or something, but it doesn't matter.
I don't know. I don't think I'll be comfortable if I have known someone's past. Maybe our future will be affected because of that. So possibly that's why.
नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे भी बहुत से थे पहले के. मेरे भी कुछ 29 थे गर्लफ्रेंड. स्मार्ट नहीं दिखता तो क्या हुआ?
I don't have an answer for this. I think it's okay. Like in today's generation, it doesn't matter. Like
See, every person have a past. So what mattered to me, if a person is there with me, he should be committed to me. What happened with him before he fall in relationship with me, it's not a matter of concern for me. Because I expect the same from the other person.
तो सब आंखों देखी चीज़ें हैं. अगर आंखों से कुछ नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं है. आंखों से देखे और अपन गलत समझे तो वो गलत है.
पहले कंसेप्शन लोगों का ये था कि वर्जिन ही चाहिए वेडिंग के लिए. गर्लफ्रेंड बनाना है कोई भी बना लो. लेकिन अभी कंसेप्शन चेंज हो रहे हैं बहुत लोगों का. बट देयर स्टिल स्कोप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट.
I don't think that is one of the criteria or priority criteria for me to look for a girlfriend. If I get into a relationship, I think compatibility is what matters to me, not virginity.
What do you think? How many percentage of boys are virgin before marriage?
I think there must be most of them who are not virgin. I mean, it's really difficult to say.
How many percentage of girls in India are virgin before marriage?
oh, that's a big question. Like I can say 50 to 60%.
ऐसी कोई नहीं है. सबको चाहिए. तो किसी ने मतलब इतने कोई लड़की तो इतनी शरीफ है नहीं कि बिना बॉयफ्रेंड के लाइफ बिताए हो. सबके रहेंगे.
Hopefully 30 to 40%, I think.
सही बोला इसने.
Right now, I think so 70% are not virgins.
अभी का जनरेशन मतलब वर्जिन कौन है? ज़्यादातर लोग ज़्यादा गर्ल्स तो पहले ही सेक्स कर लेती है. मतलब शादी के पहले बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ.
बहुत कम होंगे, who have not been in a relationship before. Very less, like 10%.
It could be 50 to 50.
50, I think.
I think what he said, 50% guys might be there who are virgin and 50% of don't.
Actually, the thing is that mostly 90% girls shows that they are a virgin. As the perception is said because of the some like example I like to give you the. So overall in that frame we can say that 50-50.
Then I think hardly 20% ऐसे लड़के होंगे जो रिलेशनशिप में नहीं जो करियर ओरिएंटेड होंगे ज़्यादातर और जो नहीं इन सब में चीज़ों में पढ़ना चाहते हैं.
50. I'll give them 50-50 chance, yeah. Maybe.
What is the first thing you notice in a girl?
Depends. Girl आ रही है कि जा रही है. It goes like that. Those two things.
Boobs.
Eyes.
Her ass, obviously, if she turns around.
Her eyes, and then I go down